Did you know that flowers can improve your mood by 50%? Yes or no? There are 100 species of roses. I don't know if you knew that as well. Did you also know that roses are over 35 million years old? Hey, you're going to learn from this video. You're going to learn a lot. This is the edge, strands and threads. Hi lovely people, Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi. Hope everyone is doing okay. I'm so excited. This video is going to be really fun. If you don't know how I make these roses and the petals, yeah, I have videos like 3 or 4 of them teaching how I do these petals and then how I come up with these roses. You can go and visit them. You will learn. So we're going to make this bouquet you've just seen, and then we're going to wrap it together. Guys, I made this one in the morning. It's resin, it's a phone stand, but guess what? When I tried my watermark, it was fitting well, so I said, why not? Let me just keep it there as I do my things. So we have this lid. So I'm starting to collect the material. That's glue. This is glitter that we're going to put on the roses. So basically what you do, you get a color that's a little bit darker than the rose you have. If it's a light pink, you can get pink but a little bit darker than the roses themselves. So this is the red I'm going to use today. That's the red glitter. So the process is you put the glue, you just put a little bit, you can just dump into the tin, but since my tin is small, so I just use a brush to spread a little, as a thin layer on the roses. Then I dip it in the glitter and it becomes more beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, Allah, Alhamdulillah. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. This is the edge, strands and threads. We're located in Matuga, Mabanda. 0782851937 is the telephone number for WhatsApp and calling. And it's the h.uae for the TikTok and Instagram, and for YouTube channel it's the H Trends and Threads. So please guys, if you're watching this video and you have not yet started following me, please consider doing so, and please consider subscribing, and please don't forget to like this video. It helps me a lot. It helps the channel grow. It motivates me and it helps me keep going and keep making these tutorials so that people can benefit from them. Free tutorials, free of this kind. So here I was about to finish the red roses, and then I had to go to the pink one. So this is probably the last one. Yes. Oh no, there is another one. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and let's see, we're starting with the pink ones now. Let me tell you guys, yesterday I posted a video of flower vases with the flowers that I made, and I was asking the viewers, would you choose the natural or reborn flowers? Some of them were like they don't know, others were like natural or reborn flowers. But trust me guys, I will always choose the reborn flowers. Not just because that I make them, because yes, I can also work with the natural flowers. I just choose not to do that. One, on my introduction day, my wedding day, I received natural flowers. I had like that attachment. Those who have received such flowers know what I'm talking about. I had attachment with my flowers, but I watched them die. Every single day I did whatever I could. They told me a lot of things. Add water, do this, do this. I did everything. But trust me, these ribbon flowers will last a long time with its beauty on. So I will always choose. I don't want to see something die right in front of me in a short time. So I will always say, and I will always choose ribbon flowers. No one can prove me otherwise. So I think we're done with the glitter part. Now it's time to put these flowers together to make a beautiful bouquet. If you have watched until this time, you're doing great. I'm really so happy. I'm really so amazed with you. Thank you so much. You really mean a lot to me. Your time, your energy, your data, it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless you for me. So we're going to put these flowers together and we're going to make this bouquet along with you, step by step. We're not skipping anything this time. So like you always say, you know that I always mark the oasis to get the middle part so I can balance the bouquet properly. That's what I did also this time. So what I do this side is what I do the other side so that I can balance the bouquet properly. So that's the technique, very simple. What you do this side is what you do the other side so it can balance. In balancing it really makes it look elegant, organized, neat. Yeah, it means a lot. It's a great factor. It's a good technique for the florist if you didn't know that. Balance it one day and you'll see the difference. Yeah. So there you go. The rose flowers look. I love the way it's looking already. What do you think, guys? So carefully I put these roses together because sometimes they have some gaps within, so you need to make a final touch and then make sure they're together so they don't have like big gaps between them. And I removed the middle one to put the pink one because you know I'm doing the blending of the pink roses, so I tapped them down, yeah, to keep them together and give them that stability so they don't keep moving around. Yes, and then it's done. So now it's time to put the pink roses because if the middle part is done, now it's time to put the pink roses around. So what I did, I made the middle as pink, 2 layers of red, and then final with the pink roses. And it turned out so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. I'm thinking of putting butterflies on these roses, on this bouquet, but not sure yet how to put them because I'm thinking of putting one butterfly, big one in the middle, and then another one, a small one. What do you think? I don't know how I should go about it. I thought of putting them and then this looks like it's going the other way and the other one is going on the other side. But I don't know. Just let me know please. What do you think? How should I deal with those butterflies? Thank you so much if you made it to this far. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Yeah, until next time. Yeah, tomorrow, in fact, tomorrow we're going to be wrapping, putting the wrappers around this bouquet. So stay tuned. let's meet in the next video tomorrow, inshallah. So I should be signing out by now. Until next video, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.